Triumph TR7, a little roadster from the 80s. It's missing a radio. At least my car wasn't the only 80s car without a radio. It's pretty small, but it's also pretty nifty looking. It has pop-up headlights. It has a pretty sick looking hood. Guy's got his running lights still on. To be honest, from the back the car's a little dull. The rims are kind of dull. The fucking interior, though, I have to say, I like it, but I can definitely see that not being popular. It'll definitely be a little four-banger. That's an issue for me, but I like the door handles. What I like most about it is the fact that you definitely don't see too many Triumphs around. I can't, I literally don't know any Triumphs beyond the TR series, and I think the TR7 is the only one I've ever actually seen. It's definitely a nifty little car. I would drive it. I think it'd be quite a bit of fun. I just hope it's rear-wheel drive. I honestly have no idea. But I do know in the 80s they were starting to make that transition. And that would really ruin a car like this. Because it'd be a fun little roadster if it was rear-wheel drive. If it's front-wheel, ugh. British Leyland. I guess, honestly, I never actually really thought of who made them, but I guess, yeah, it makes sense that it'd be a British car with the American bumpers on it, because, you know, hashtag Americans are pussies. I like the trim line that starts at the bottom, goes to the top. I really like the hood, although I don't like how, I'm guessing, let's see, where's the hinge? Could this be a hood that opens to the front? Maybe. I don't like how much space there is. Man, that's a weird... It's a big-ass dashboard. You could hold a lot of shit. Button for the lights. Button for the high beams. Those are... Huh. Oh, it's definitely a nifty little car. It's got exhaust work done to it. I love the license plate, really gets the point across. Oh man, I like it. Although, I've got to say, talk about trusting. Leaving the top down. Admittedly, there's not much in here, but... oh, you know what just occurred to me? The radio might have been stolen. Ooh, Ferrari. Yeah, no, I kind of just assumed it didn't have a radio, but now that I think about it, it's been sitting here in, admittedly, a better neighborhood with the roof down. Yeah, that radio might have been ripped out of the car since it's been sitting here. Well, that really puts a downer on things. I hope not. Ooh, I like that. Gas tanks on top of the car. You don't see that in American cars, except for the Hummer. Kinda wishing that Ferrari was parked over here.